United States alone, 60 out of every 1,000 teenage girls became pregnant in 1991. Later, due to effective birth control and decreased sexual activity, the number declined to 45 out of every 1,000 in the year 2008.
If my daughter came to me and told me she was pregnant, I would have to take a minute.
If I had to tell my parents that I was pregnant, I would be scared to death. If I got pregnant, I would probably be terrified to tell my mom.
I guess I would go to my parents and ask them for help because I know they'd always be there for me. Because we had the conversation already. If it happened, they said that they would be there for me to help me out in the situation.
I'd probably slowly break it down for them because they would probably kill me. So, yeah.
65% of all high school students have had sex before they graduate. And of the 1 million teen pregnancies per year in the United States, 850,000 are unplanned.
We would weigh all the options and, decide if adoption would be better, if not keeping the baby would be better, or if keeping it would be. I would probably give her some advice as to how it would change her life, for the good or for the worse.
I'd probably keep the baby because since I did it, then I should accept responsibility.
I wouldn't want to make any decisions for her. I would let her make the decision whether or not she would want to keep it. I, in particular, would want her to keep it.
Over 80% of women who become a parent while in their teen years live in poverty for over 10 years. 3 major consequences of being a teen parent are dropping out of high school, having a lower annual income, and an increased rate of alcohol and substance abuse.
I think that abortion is killing something, but I think it's up to the person to decide whether or not to do it.
4 out of every 10 unplanned pregnancies end with abortion, and between 1973 and 2005, over 45 million legal abortions occurred in the United States.
You shouldn't outlaw abortion. It should be up to the individual to decide.
I think it's okay to abort your baby if the circumstances are right, if you can't afford to take care of the baby or if you were raped or something like that.
I think abortion's wrong in that if you're going to have a baby, you should adopt it. You should give it away for adoption.
The options for adoption obviously is a valid one and probably a more viable one with a child as young as my daughter.
There are 2 types of adoption. Private adoptions consist of open and closed adoption. In private open adoptions, the parents and the adoptive parents get to meet and get to know each other and share information about the baby. In private closed adoptions, the parents and the adoptive parents do not know each other and share little to no information about the baby's life. Public adoptions are through local agencies which provide foster care, welfare, and social services.
I think that you should keep the baby and try and give it up for adoption if you have no other choice.
The baby would be able to have both sets of parents and be afforded so many more things in life that a teenager can give it.